all your plumbing needs, call Gap Plumbing. Family owned and operated, Gap Plumbing has over 30 years of master plumbing experience. No job is too big or too small. From drain clogs to water heater service, pipe repairs to water leaks, Gap Plumbing does it all. There's a reason we're BBB Gold Star rated. Call us today and see why. Gap Plumbing believes in never charging for price quotes. Call today for a free estimate.
For quality service and low pricing, call Gap Plumbing.
We're filling the gap in your plumbing needs.